In eukaryotic animals, why ammonia is converted into uric acid crystals as an excretory product. In eukaryotic animals like birds, ammonia is converted into uric acid crystals because they have to live in dry conditions, and so they conserve water to meet their body's demand, and thus they have to survive even in scarcity of water. So in that situation, ammonia is converted into uric acid crystals. But in ammonotelic animals like fishes and amoeba, they have surplus of water, so their body excretory product is eliminated in the form of ammonia.